Hello my dear students, today we are going to learn class 6 social science. We will take up geography chapter number 6. Okay, measure landforms of the earth. Okay, measure landform of the earth. Okay, chapter number 6. So let us start. uh, you must have seen some of the landform feature as shown in the figure, okay, 6.1 below. So you will notice that the surface of the earth is not same everywhere. The earth has a definite varieties of landform. Some part of the lithosphere may be rugged and some flat. Look here, this is the landform. Okay, let us see. In landform, in the lithosphere area, you will find so many things. Okay, like mountain. Okay, these are the mountain range. Okay, look here, even basin also. Look here, even hills. Okay, straits, islands. Okay, island plain. Okay, tributary rivers. Okay, distributary. Okay, peningulars. Okay, mouth of the river, lake. Okay, like that, so many. Okay, landform we have seen. Okay, these landform are, okay, as a result of two processes. Okay, this landform is formed by the two processes. Let us see. You will be amazed to know that the ground you have standing is slowly moving. Okay, that means right now we are standing, right now we are having now this landform is moving. Okay, still moving, but we not notice. Why? Because they move in a very slow. Okay, that's why we even notice that one. Even the art, okay, even the art and continuous movement is taking place. Okay, look here. Yes, we have already known that the art is what, moving. Okay, so the first or the internal process lead to the upliftment and the shrinking of the earth surface at several places. So look here, due to internal process, okay, that means underground, what happened, due to internal process. Okay, and sometimes the land is what uplifted. Okay, and in some area the land is what sink on the earth surface. Okay, that means they are not same everywhere. Okay, due to internal force. Okay, and second one is what, let us see. The second or the external force is the continuous wearing down and the rebuilding of land for land surface. Look here, the first one is what, internal process, and second one is what, external process. Okay, external process may be taken place two, okay, into two. First one is wearing down. Okay, wearing down, and second one is what, rebuilding of land surface. Okay, another one is what, wearing down, and second one is rebuilding of land surface. Okay, so the wearing away of land surface is called erosion. Okay, wearing down or wearing away of the land surface, it is known as the erosion. Okay, erosion means wearing down. Okay, and second one is what, the surface is being lowered by the process of erosion and rebuilt by the process of deposition. Okay, that means the surface which is lowered by erosion, okay, which were again rebuilt by the process of deposition. Okay, rebuild process is what, it is done by the deposition. Okay, these are the process were carried out by running water, ice and wind. Okay, this erosion as well as deposition is carried by running water, ice and wind. Okay, we have to know that one. Broadly we can, okay, group different landform depending on the elevation and slope. Suppose landform, okay, depending on the elevation and the slope, we can divide it into three. Okay, the first one is mountain, second one is what, plateau, and the third one is what, plain. Okay, this landform is what, divided according to the elevation and the slope of, okay, slope of the landform. Okay, the first one is mountain, and second one is plateau, and third one is what, plain. Okay, let us discuss the first one, mountain. Okay, a mountain is any natural elevation. Okay, a mountain is a natural elevation of the earth surface. Okay, the mountain may have a small summit and a broad base. Okay, we have to know that mountain is an elevated surface. Okay, so look here, mountain have a small summit and a broad base. Okay, look here, they are in the shape of like this. Okay, what happened, base are very broaded, and if you go higher, then what happen, it is what become steep slope, okay, like summit. Okay, it is considerably higher than the surrounding area. If you compare with the surrounding area, then what happen? If you compare with the surrounding area, this area is what somewhat higher. Okay, some mountains are even higher than the cloud. Okay, some mountains are what very higher, okay, very high, okay, higher than even than the mountain. As you go higher and higher, then what happen? The climate become colder. Okay, if you go higher and higher, what happen? It become colder. Okay, so that's why we have seen, okay, above the mountain, what happens? Snow or ice, okay, like glaciers, like that. In some mountain there are permanently frozen river of ice. Okay, that means in some mountains, okay, they are permanently frozen, okay, throughout the whole years, okay, they are frozen. Okay, so they are river of ice, they are called what? Glacier. Okay, frozen river of ice is called what? Glacier. Okay, there are some mountain, okay, you cannot see as they are under the sea. Okay, look here, some mountain we cannot see. Why? Because they are under the sea, okay, or ocean. Because of harsh climate, less people live in the mountain area. Since the slope are steep, less land is available for farming. Okay, look here, what happened in mountains, what happened? There is a very harsh climate, so that's why the people settlement, okay, the people cannot live in that mountains area. And why? One of the another reason is also what? Because of due to slopes and steeps. Okay, and there is a less land for doing farming, okay, or cultivation. Okay, there is no plain area, so that's why there is very less possible for agriculture. Okay, and very harsh climatic condition. Okay, look here, mountains may be arranged in a line are known as range. Okay, mountain range, like that you will heard. Okay, mountain range means what? They are arranged in a line form. Okay, that means a mountain which arranged in a line, okay, line form, they are known as what? Range. Many mountain systems, okay, many mountain system consists of a series of parallel ranges extending over hundreds of kilometers. Suppose you see many mountains, okay, many mountain systems, they may consist several, okay, number of parallel range, like Himalayan, okay, Himalaya mountain range, okay, like outer Himalaya range, okay, Shivalik range, okay, middle Himalaya range. There are three ranges now, so like that they are running in a line. Okay, so they are extended, okay, more than thousands and thousands of kilometers. Okay, the light, okay, they are giving here example, the Himalayan, okay, the Alps, the Andes are the mountain range of Asia, like that. Okay, look here, the Himalayan range, the Alps range, the Andes are the mountain range of Asia. Okay, look here, these are the ranges of Himalaya. So Europe and South Africa, that means Himalayan mountain range is found in Asia, Alps mountain is found in where? Europe, and this mountain is found in South America. These are the what? Mountain range. Okay, mountain are very in their height and shape. Look here, mountain are very high. Okay, look here, and their shape is also not same everywhere. Okay, even the height is also different. Okay, and their shape is also different. Okay, let us see. There are three types of mountain. In mountain we have three types of mountain. Okay, the first one is what? Fall mountain, second one is block mountain, and the third one is what? Volcanic mountain. That means we have find how many? Three types of mountains. Okay, we have find three types of mountain. The first one is what? Fall mountain, second one is what? Block mountain, third one is what? Volcanic mountains. Okay, let us discuss first one, the Himalayan, okay, mountain. Okay, that is fall mountain. The Himalayan mountain, the Alp mountain are young fall mountain with rugged relief and high conical peak. Okay, look here, the Himalayan mountains and the Alps mountain, they are known as young fall mountains. Okay, their land is what? Rugged relief. Okay, there is a not plate smooth. Okay, there is a rugged type, okay, relief, and their shape is what their height is, they are in the conical shape, okay, conical peak, machin tungkhatpado, okay. So Aravalli Range in India is also one of the oldest fall mountain in the world. So you will see Aravalli Range, okay, Aravalli Range, which is found in India, which this is the oldest, okay, this is the oldest, is one of the oldest fall mountain system in India, okay. This is what oldest, okay. This is not a first, this is also one of the okay, one of the, here one of the means among, if you consider the oldest fall mountain, Aravalli is also one of the oldest mountains, okay. The range has considerably worn down due to the process of erosion, okay. That the mountain range is what, erosion, okay, doing erosion, okay. So they have worn down by the process of erosion, okay. The Alphasian in the North America and the Ural mountain in Russia have rounded feature and low elevation. So like Alphasian mountain in North America, okay, Ural mountain in Russia, okay, they are round, okay, they are round and low elevation and low elevated area, okay. So look here, they are very all fall mountain. These are what, all fall mountains, okay. So we have discussed about the fall mountain. In fall mountain they have what, some are what, young fall mountain, and some are all fall mountains, okay. Let us see. Next is what, block mountain, okay. Next is block mountain. Block mountain are created when large area are broken and displaced vertically, okay. Block mountain, this is formed by the, well, look here, what, broken down or displaced vertically, okay. Look here, they are what, suppose they are in the line form na, in one time what happened, they are in line, but they are up, some area are uplifted or some area are broken down, okay. That means they are going inside, okay. So displacement. So look here, so this is called a block mountain. The uplift, okay, the uplift block, it is known as horse, okay. This uplift part, it is known as what, horse, and what, the lower part is known as garben, okay. The Rhine Valley and the Vons mountain in Europe are the example of such mountain, okay. These are the Rhine Valley, okay, Vos mountain, okay. These are the example of what, block mountain, okay. Look, locate them on the world map in the atlas. You will find some more example of this type of landform. Suppose if you look in the atlas, you will find, okay, this Rhine Valley, okay, Vos mountains, or in other, okay, other block mountain also you'll see. So look here, if you have atlas, then you can check out this one, okay. Volcanic mountains, okay, volcanic mountains. So look here, in volcanic mountains, okay, volcanic mountain are formed due to volcanic activities, okay. This volcanic mountain, they are formed by the volcanic activities, okay. Example like Mount Kilimanjaro, okay, in Africa. One example is what, Kilimanjaro, okay, and another is what, Mount Fujiyama, okay, in Japan. These are the mountain of volcanic, okay. That means these mountains are formed by what, volcanic activities, okay. Mountains are very useful, okay. So why the mountains are very useful? Because the mountains are the storehouse of what, waters, okay. These mountains are the storehouse of water, so that's why the mountains are very useful, okay. and many rivers, okay, and many rivers have their source in the glacier in the mountains. Okay, look here, many rivers, okay, they are origin from the glacier of mountain, like Ganga river, Indus river, they are originated from this one. Okay, so glacier. So look here, reservoir are made, okay, reservoir are made and the water is what harnessed for the use of people. Okay, that means reservoirs are made, and why they are made? For the uses of uh, water, okay, for the people. Okay, look here, water from the mountain is also useful for irrigation. That means water which is coming from mountain, they are also very useful for what? For irrigation purpose, for generating hydroelectricity. Okay, the river valley and the terrace are the ideal for the cultivation of crops. Okay, that means in river valley, okay, and the terrace are ideal for, that means the river valley, okay, the terrace, these are the place where very suitable for what? Cultivation of crops. Okay, in mountain they are very rich of what? Flora and fauna. That means in mountain we have find lot of varieties of plant, okay, forest, and what? Wild animals. Okay, the forest provide, okay, that means even the forest provide what? Fuel, fodder, shelters, and other products. Okay, and many useful products. Okay, so look here, gums, okay, even the gum resin, these are what? They are produced from the mountain, that is forest. Okay, that means forests are found in the mountain area. Okay, mountain provide, okay, mountain provide an idyllic site for tourists. Okay, that means many tourists, okay, they are attract of what? Mountains. Okay, they visit the mountain for scenic beauties. Okay, for scenic beauty, several sport like paragliding, hand gliding, okay, river rafting, skiing are popular in the mountains. Okay, can you name some place where they look here? That means mountain is what? Useful for many purpose. Okay, that means the mountain is used for many purpose. Look here, for the trekking purpose. Okay, for sport purpose like paragliding, okay, hand gliding, okay, river rafting. Okay, and these are the okay, these are the games, okay, where many what? Peoples, okay, they used to go and they are doing sporting. Okay, and many tourists, okay, many people, they are attracted the natural scenic, okay, or natural beauties. Okay, so from mountain they these are from mountain we used to get what? So many rivers. Okay, that means the river are originated or drained from the mountains area. Okay, and next one is what? The plateau. Okay, let us start. A plateau is a elevated flat land. Okay, it is the flat top tableland standing above the surrounding area. That means plateau is a what? Flat, okay, elevated area. Okay, and we have a flat land. Okay, that is flat elevated land. Okay, so it is a flat top tableland. Okay, that means you can say that in the top it is flat and the tableland, okay, standing, okay, above the surrounding area. That means if you compare with the surrounding area, it is somewhat higher, and the above is what? Flat and tableland. Okay, that area is known as what? Plateau. A plateau may have, okay, some or more side with steep slope. Okay, look here, in plateau they may, okay, they may have one or more side of steep slope. Okay, that means plateau can have what? One side steep slope or more steep slope. Okay, the height of the plateau often varies from 100 meter to several thousand meter. That means every plateau, okay, the height is not same. Okay, some are 100 and some are thousands. Okay, it ranges from 100 to 1000 meters. Okay, from the mean sea level. Okay, plateau like mountains may be young or old. That means plateau is also somewhat, it look like the mountains, or it may be it is young. Okay, sometimes it is a plateau are very young, or sometimes it is maybe old. Okay, Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau in India is the oldest, okay, is one of the oldest plateau. For example, the oldest is what? Deccan Plateau, which is found in India. Okay, this is also one of the oldest plateau. Okay, the East African Plateau in Kenya, okay, Tanzania, in Uganda, and the Western Plateau of Australia are example. Okay, the Tibet Plateau is the highest plateau in the world. Okay, look here, these are the example of what plateau, like in Kenya, what East African Plateau, okay, Tanzania, in Uganda, where Western Plateau in Australia. Okay, these are the example of some example of plateau. Okay, even the plateau. Okay, so look here, Tibetan Plateau. Tibetan Plateau is also what? One example. Okay, it is one of, okay, it is the highest, okay, plateau in the world. Okay, its height is what? 4,000 to 6,000. Okay, it ranges from 4,000 to 6,000 meter. Okay, from the above the mean sea level. Okay, plateau are very useful. They are very rich in mineral deposit. That means plateau is very useful for what? Because it is found lot of minerals. Okay, so as a result, many minings, okay, area in the world are located in the plateau area. So plateau is sometimes it is a storehouse of minerals. Okay, so in plateau we they have found lot of minerals, so that's why many mining, okay, they are done in the plateau area. The African Plateau, okay, the African Plateau is very famous for what? Gold mining and the diamond mining. Okay, in India, what happened? In India, reserve of iron, coal, and manganese are found in Chota Nagpur Plateau. That means in India, in Chota Nagpur Plateau, it is very famous for iron, okay, iron mining, okay, coal mining, and manganese mining. Okay, but in Africa, African Plateau, it is famous for what? Gold and diamond mining. But in India, Chota Nagpur Plateau, it is famous for iron, coal, and manganese mining. Okay, in the plateau, okay, in the plateau there may be several waterfall as the river falls from great height. That means in the plateau, what happened? We will find several waterfall. Okay, which is fall from a great height. Okay, in India, like Hundru waterfall in Chota Nagpur. Okay, in Chota Nagpur, Hundru waterfall, this is also found in plateau area. And another is what? Okay, so Chota Nagpur plateau on the river, on the river Subharnekha. Okay, that means that Hudru waterfall in Chota Nagpur Plateau, which is formed in Subharnekha, okay, river. And Jog Fall in Karnataka. Okay, Jog Fall is very famous in Karnataka. It is originated in plateau area. Okay, the lava plateau are very rich in black soil. The lava, okay, lava plateau which is formed by the volcanic. Okay, so this plateau is very famous for the black soil. Okay, they are very fertile and good for cultivations. Okay, and many plateau have seismic spots or the great attraction to tourists. That means not only mountain, okay, even the plateau is what? Very attracted by many tourists. Okay, many tourists. So, and next one is what? Plain. Okay, next one is plain. Plain are very, okay, plain are very scratch or flat of land. That means plain, we have already know this is a flat, okay, scratch, that is flat land. Okay, they are generally not more than 200 meter above the sea level. Okay, these, yes, this plain area, okay, plain area are not more than 200 meters from the mean sea level. Okay, from the sea level, they they should not be more than 200 meters. Okay, that means they should be under the 200, okay, meters from mean sea level. Some plain are extremely level. Okay, that means some area are, they are totally flat. Okay, other may be slightly rolling and undulating. Okay, in some plain area they are in the rugged form. Okay, they are not in the totally plain, and some area they are totally flat area. They are not same everywhere. Okay, most of the plain are formed by the river. Okay, this most of the plain, okay, they are formed by the rivers. Okay, and by the river and their tributaries. Okay, the rivers flow down the slope of mountain and erode them. So the river is what originated from mountain area. They are flow downs, okay, from the mountain, and they erode the eroded material. They were carried down and erode the materials, okay, from the mountain, and they deposited, okay, their load consisting of stone, okay, sand, silt, and their course or in the valley. So look here, the river which are originated from the mountain area, when the river come, okay, when the river speed is very high, then what happen? They used to carry load of what? Load of material like silt, stone, okay, minerals, okay, and that carry down and they got deposited where? They got deposited in the low area, that is in the plain area, or you can say that in the valley area. It is from this deposition that plain are formed. So with that material which were carried down by the river, okay, and when this eroded material they are deposited in some area, in low lying area, so that form what? Plain. Okay, generally plain are very fertile. That means plain are very fertile. Okay, so construction of transport network is easy. So for construction of road, okay, it is very easy. Okay, for construction of house. So that's why, okay, the plain area is thickly populated region. Okay, so that's why the plain area is thickly populated. Okay, it is very suitable for cultivation, for building road, okay, for building road, transport network, or any other purpose. Okay, some of the largest plain area made by river are formed in Asia and North America. Okay, some of the largest plain which is formed by the rivers, they are found in Asia and North America. For example, in Asia, these plains are formed by Ganga and Brahmaputra in India and Yans in China. So Ganga and Brahmaputra also form, okay, that is what Gangatic plain, okay, in UP, Bihar, like that. These are the area, okay, which is formed by the Gangatic, okay. Brahmaputra form so many part in Assam, okay, Bangladesh, like that. Okay, so they are formed by this one. And another example is Yats in China. In China, Yats river, okay, what Yats river is formed many plain area. Okay, plain area are very useful for human habitation. That means plain area is very suitable for human settlement. Okay, this is a great concentration of people. More flat land is available for building house as well as for cultivation. Though in plain area we can do for building of houses, okay, for doing cultivation. So many people they used to what live in a plain area. So the population is very high, okay, in plain area. Because of fertile soil, the land is highly productive for cultivation. So because plain area are very fertile, so they are very good for cultivations, okay, and their productive is very high. In India, Indo-Gangetic plain are the most densely populated region of the country. So in India, what happened? Indo-Gangetic plain, these are the most concentrated area, okay. If you compare with the throughout the whole India, these are the area where mostly populated thick area, okay. Why? Because they are very fertile, okay. And landform and the people, okay, human have been living on different kind of landform in different way. That means human being, okay, they used to live in different kind of landform, okay, in different way. So life is difficult in mountain area. Plain provide much better condition. So those people who are living in the mountains, okay, they are facing a very difficult, okay, but in plain area their life is become more better, okay. It is easy to grow crop, building of house, road in the plain than the mountains. Okay, why? Because in plain area they can grow crop very easily, they can build house very easily, they can make road very easily. Okay, than the mountain. Okay, look here. So that's why the people living in even in Manipur also, what happened, those people who are living in the hills area, their transport network is very less. Okay, so their life is somewhat very difficult. Okay, for building house or for making roads, okay, it is very difficult, but in plain area it is very easy. Okay, can you point out some difference in the way of life on different kind of landforms? Some natural calamities such as earthquake, volcanic eruption, storm, flood causes widespread destruction. Look here. Sometimes what happen, even in plain area, even in a mountain area, so what happen if there is an earthquake or natural calamities or flood or something storm or something like that. Okay, or volcanic eruption, in during that times they demolish. Okay, they demolish in plain area as well as in the mountains area, they destroy everyone. Okay, huge losses of life and property take place. Okay, by creative awareness. Okay, awareness about the incidents, we have lower risk. Look here. So due to natural calamities, what happened, so the life in the plain as well as in the hill region, it is become very difficult. Okay, you may find out, okay, from your own surrounding in many ways. Okay, use of land waters. Okay, land and water quite where we often use the land in the wasteful manner. For example, construction of house on the fertile land. So look here, in plain area what happened, many fertile land they are converted into industrial area or into the business area or for constructing house or industry or for many purpose. That means the area of fertile land become very less. Okay, so for example, construction of house on the fertile land. Similarly, we throw garbage on land or making water make them dirty. Suppose we human peoples, okay, if we are concentrate on thickly populated area, we are damaging or we are polluting the land. Okay, we are throwing our garbage in the outside as well as we are polluting the land. Okay, in the river we used to throw that one. That means we are creating polluting land, okay, water and air. Okay, from smoke also we are making dirty. Okay, we are making polluting throughout the land, air, waters. Okay, so we should avoid using such important gift of nature in a careless manners. Okay, the God have created so many beautiful things that, but we human being, okay, polluting all these things. Okay, we are destroying ourselves. Okay, the availability of land is not only for the use. Okay, it is used our duty to leave the earth in better place for future generation as well. Okay, look here, if we destroy all the land surface, then what happen in the next generation, they are going to face a big problem so we should think for them also. If we are not destroy, if we are suppose if we are destroying our surrounding, then we are destroying ourselves. Okay, in next generation, so what happened, there is no possible for life. Okay, the human settlement. Okay, look here, these are the place. Okay, that means we are polluting our river. So if we pollute our river, that means the river water. Okay, so we cannot use it. Suppose these are the games. Okay, that means water is used for game purpose. Okay, that means this is sea beach, many people used to attract so these are the place of sea beach, so islands like that, many people they are attracting. Okay, so these are the key house. Okay, some plan, so they are constructed like that in hilly or mountain region. These are the houses. Okay, they used to build like this. Okay, and these are the tea plantation. Okay, this is river rafting. Okay, games. Okay, and this is the life. Okay, we used to live in very high hills. Okay, mountains area, the life of the mountains area. And this is the condition of the snow area. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, let us end chapter number 6. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.